but it doesn't like attach to the table. That's a disaster now.
So you have to
Yeah, like we got I forget where we ordered it from. Anyway, but yeah, it came with like a little table that you set it up on, and
but it's not attached like this.
yeah, it was. Anyway, but yeah, so we learned quickly, like, once he gets old, it's...
Hey, Candy.
Hey, sweetness.
Look at all these sweeties. Look at them, how cute.
That's funny, so the tracks continue to get...
Oh yeah, we realized we need to wait a little while more.
So this is a good one in the meantime.
Exactly.
What's hooray,
Johnny.
Johnny?
And what are your guys? You guys go to
Yeah.
concert. Yeah, I recognize you.
Reese and Kyle.
Okay, cool. It's nice to meet you guys. I'm Vanessa.
Vanessa, Nicole.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
And whose classroom are they in?
And Andrea's.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Aw.
Yes, they be. Yeah. You wouldn't, you wouldn't know, but
Oh, they
they
seem
were
like
5 in
it.
December.
Oh, wow. No, I mean, they look and seem like it.
December 6th.
I mean, look, he's like almost a look at him.
Yeah. Frank came to play with you, John. See?
Neil, where's your Thomas?
Well, I know. Like, I guess they just slowly get taller.
Neil, go get to Thomas.
I can't open that.
Let's be quiet.
Hi.
He's still in the top.
You can't open these. You can't open those, Johnny.
Oh, yeah.
You want to
Put them back in the shelf?
You want to put it back where it belongs, Johnny? They must spend hours at the end of the day putting things back.
Yeah, exactly.
Neil, Mama is here.
Oh. Yeah. What's that, sweetheart? Oh, that's the thing where you throw the ball and it sticks to the board. It's like sticky balls. See, it's Velcro. And then you throw it, and then you catch it with one of these pads, the Velcro pads. I don't know. Because, yeah, you'd think you'd only be using one at any time.
Two.
Maybe in case you lose one.
Yeah.
Or one for each person.
Where did you find this, Venus? On the wall. Where did you find
Kyle?
it?
Oh, he's going to buy that.
Hey, Neil, you don't have a horse yet.
Hey, Mom.
Neil doesn't have the horse like this.
Nope. Neil, where's Percy? Can you find James? Where's James?
One of these. Should we get two for each of us?
Neil, can you find James?
Two for each of us?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe not today.
Can we buy one?
No, it's kind of expensive. I'm trying to get you
Kyle, where did you find that? Kyle, where did you find that?
$12. It's called the Irish.
Where did he keep that? Where did he find it?
I don't know. Kyle, can you show me?
He's busy.
Over here. Oh
This is wonderful. What a good place.
We have that at home, sweetie.